Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need YouTube Premium and the app signed into your account. Once done, update the app. Open YouTube and head to Settings because the background play option controls lock screen audio. Make sure background play is set to always or headphones and speaker. This is the first actionable step. You're enabling the exact permission that keeps audio active when the screen locks. Do this now, and then move to start a video so the feature can take effect immediately. Start the video or playlist you want, and make sure you're playing it inside the YouTube app on the signed-in premium account. Once the audio starts, do not cast to another device. Remain local. Press the power or lock screen button. Your audio keeps playing because background play is active. If you prefer video minimized, tap home to test picture-in-picture, then lock. Make sure your device's media volume is up. Otherwise, you won't hear the background playback when locked. On the lock screen, you can pause, skip, or adjust volume using the media controls. Use them to manage playback without unlocking. If audio cuts out, make sure battery saver or app optimization isn't killing YouTube. Disable optimization and allow background data. Once done, update the app and try signing out then back in. If problems persist, reboot the device. That often clears stuck processes. These steps complete the setup and give one reliable troubleshooting tip to restore lock screen audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.